Hey guys, welcome to 3D IT Solutions. In this video, we are going to see how we can hide user mailbox from the global address list. So basically, if I have a user mailbox that is, for example, Alex, so that user ID is appearing here. I want to hide this email ID. So whenever someone types Alex username, so it should not appear here until and unless it knows the entire email address. Okay. So how we can achieve that? You first have to log into Exchange Admin Center. You need to have a global admin access. Okay, so then log into admin.exchange.microsoft.com. Once you log in successfully, show the user that you want to hide it from the global address list. So then click on user name. So in the general tab, you will see this option, hide from global address list. Click here and you just have to turn this on and click on save. Okay, so this is the first option. You can do that. There is another way you can do that as well. Go to PowerShell and log in as a administrator. Once you log in as an administrator, connect Exchange Online. Now enter your global admin username password. Once you connect with the Exchange Online, just run this command. You will see this is the existing user. I've given this command in the description box. You can copy it from there. You just have to replace your user ID with the existing one. So that's it. These are the two different ways to hide a mailbox from the global addresses. If you like this video, just give a like and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video notification. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.